This is the Ultra Protective Tech Bag here from the folks at Mous. This is my everyday carry here. Then I'm gonna show you what this obviously can entail here. With that said, firstly, as you can see, it's got a holder here for my 30-ounce insulated steel bottle. It can go pretty deep all the way to the bottom, and it's made of high quality material here. Taking that out now, as you can see, it is made out of really high quality product. It's got this scratch and puncture resistant material, and it's sewn to give you water resistance, which is great here in the event that you are hiking, traveling out and about and it rains. It's gonna be able to protect you there. On the side here, you've got this really high quality strap to be able to hold it up here at an angle if that's something that you're interested in. You also have this compartment here that is protected with the zipper that's sewn into itself, as well as having a flap here on the outside to be able to protect against poking or other materials trying to get into it. What I like here on the inside here, it zips into itself and it's very compact. The inside is lined with this high quality soft material. It's got this little latch here to be able to hold your keys if that's something that you're interested in. That's magnetic and really nice here if you have the rest of this in your ecosystem. Around the backside here, this is reinforced with this highly ultra protective ribbing here, which is really nice and comfortable. I really like that feeling. It's also mesh and breathable, and you can also fit it here in between a piece of luggage if that's what you're interested in here when you're traveling. The straps are very high quality and durable and strong. It doesn't have a waist strap here, which is something that I am lamenting a little bit here. Nonetheless, it does have that chest strap here that fits most builds. Okay, going to the top, there's one more hidden compartment here around the top that I took my phone out of. It's this microfiber lined material here where you can place your AirPods, you can place chapstick, you can place other things that you want to throw in there, like your phone, to be able to have it at a moment's notice, which is really, really nice. And then it zips tight here, as you can see from up above. It zips really tight here and holds its frame. I really like the laptop compartment. It actually has interlocking parts here if you wanted to put a little lock here so that no one rummages through your items, and it's really high quality zippers that are gonna zip and last and not come apart here for a long time. It's got multiple compartments on the inside where the laptop is. As you can see, I've got a 13-inch. You can also have a 16-inch MacBook Pro just fine. And then further down, you have a smaller pocket. You can put a tablet or other delicate item here to be able to protect. This is my work laptop here, taking it out. You can see how many things that this thing really can hold. It's really quite amazing. All of this is lined with its airfoam technology, which is great around the edges in the event that it drops, it gets hit, it gets thrown off of a ledge, which is something that they were showing. Nonetheless here, what I really like is this magnetic interlocking part, which will cinch it shut. It's not gonna go anywhere except for if you want to go ahead and unlatch it here. You just go and place up and it comes right off. It's super straightforward. I really like that design. Open it up here, it does clamshell and open up here. So if you're traveling, doing day hikes, if you wanna have your backpack with your work, if you wanted to carry a tripod or a sleeping bag or other sleeping materials here, you have the hooks to be able to do that. You also have some room here if you wanted to latch anything on it as well. With that said, opening it up here for the first time, you can see how much room it has. It's really amazing. Trying to give you the entire perspective, you've got all of these mesh compartments here that you can hold a bunch of different items. As you can see, what I'm carrying with me is my RØDE Wireless Go 2. I've got a 65-watt dual triple charger here to be able to do USB-C twice, as well as USB-A 3.0. I've got my clamshell case here to be able to hold all my SD cards here in place, as you can see. I've also got here my T7 Shield by the folks at Samsung. This is the 1 gigabit transfer with a 40 gigabytes cord from the folks at Idosonix. And then in these little flaps here, you can store little doodads here, or you can do SD cards is where I've got mine as well. What's nice here is you've also got a little hidden compartment right here on the side to be able to place another on-the-go SD card, which is really nice. Each one of these are breathable and protected by that water-resistant material. This is my Osmo DJI Osmo 6, which I use with my phone. On the go, my Logitech MX Master mouse here with my Sony ZV-E1, which is really, really nice with all these different cages and stuff. I've got my go-to lens here that it is compatible with. This isn't quite full frame, but it's the 4 f-stop 18-105, which I love using with that, especially on that vlogging head tracking. On the side here, I've got the GoPro Mini 11 as well as the Volta, which is nice. It gives it a bunch of extra battery life as well as being able to vlog and charge all at the same time. I've got this nice grip on the top to be able to place cold shoe mounts. I've got my charger here for my laptop, for my work computer, and then I've got the ultra protective case here that fits in there as well with my MacBook Pro. So I've got two laptops actually that are connected here. This is my favorite go-to case. It's like a briefcase style case. It's really nice and durable. They threw this off a building and it was able to protect that no problem. As you can see, my MacBook Pro is right there. Continuing on, we have a couple more of these compartments. As you can see here, we've got 3 more. We've got one for cables. This is my MacBook Pro MagSafe cable. We've also got additional cables here for that 65-watt charger. And then lastly, we've got here this smaller compartment here up at the top. That's gonna hold some more of my gear for content creation here, like a shotgun mount, as well as a grip here that is ultralight. With that said, guys, here, the Ultra Protective 25-liter backpack, I think, is the go-to if you're looking for, something for travel. It's convenient. It can go on your luggage. It can hold most water bottles. It's water resistant. I think this is awesome. It's my go-to, my daily carry. It carries 2 laptops and tons of gear here. If you're looking to go traveling, I did do a 3-day at grandma's house with the kids, and this carried all my gear plus all my clothes that I needed. It's awesome. It fits. It's really high quality and it's actually fairly light, so you're not necessarily having so much bulk here. I really like the chest straps here. They magnetize shut and then you can cinch it. The only drawback here is I wish they would have had a waist here, a waistband, but it does sit up a little bit higher if you're taller like me. Nonetheless, I think this is a great go-to here for your travels, going to work, going to business, that good stuff. Thanks so much for watching, guys. This is not a sponsored video. With that said, I do have a relationship with the folks at Mous. In the past, they have given me products for free, but I do have an affiliate link down below, so I do get a kickback for that. If you want to support the channel, please do. Thanks so much, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.